Heavenly Pizza. We're at Angelo's here at Avellino's Pizza in Delray Beach. We are here at Carlucci's. Okay, we are here at Zuccarelli's, Papa Giuseppe's in 8.7, the pizza spot. This is horrible. This is a 9.2. Friendlier. There's no flavor whatsoever. That's how it's done. Okay, we are here at yet another pizza review. This time we are in Lake Worth, Florida, at a place called Cucina Moderna, Modern Kitchen. Wood-fired pizza. They're using oak wood to fire the stove. It's located at 9835-4 Lake Worth Road in Lake Worth, Florida. Before I get started, I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. In the comment section below, let me know the places you want me to go to. I'll get there and give them a review. They're using all the finest ingredients. There are 3 owners. Robert inside from New York is here in Florida for about 25 years, in the pizza business for quite some time. Let's take a look at their pie. Looks really good. I like the way it looks. I like the charring. Well done on the bottom, just the way I like it. I want to take a second. This is really hot. When you hear the term a pizza, when we're talking about the New England pizza like a Sally's or a modern a pizza, what does it mean? A lot of people don't understand. A pizza means the pizza. It's a Neapolitan dialect. A pizza, the pizza. So it's not a specific type of pizza, although it's gained that notoriety. What it simply means is a pizza, the pizza. So I just wanted to clarify that for you. Here's the slice. Let's give it a shot. Great ingredients, great oven. Place is immaculate inside. Really, really clean, beautiful place. Let's look at this slice. Ooh, that looks really good. I got a good feeling here. Let's give it a shot. Note to self, get a napkin. Right. I like it. Okay. So, it's hard not to do a good job when you've got a beautiful wood-fired oven like that. They're using the best ingredients. They've got the passion, they've got the love, they've got desire. And they've got the background. The owners here own multiple other pizzerias, so they've been in the business for a long time. This is really, really good. I strongly recommend you come in here, not just for the pizza, but to sit down and have a really nice dinner. They have a full menu. I like this pizza. It's awesome. I'm going to give it a 7.9. That's right, a 7.9 for Cucina Moderna. 7.9, Cucina Moderna. That's my score.